Hey there. So the way that you can rename workspaces is when you're in the workspace canvas, you will see that there is a pencil in the bottom right-hand corner of each of the workspaces. And when you press that, that's going to open up the workspace sidebar. And the workspace sidebar is going to show a few functions. The first is you can go ahead and rename the workspace. So I can go ahead and rename this workspace client ABC, and as soon as I do that, you can see that those changes are reflected here. So as you start to add multiple workspaces that represent each client, you can keep it very clear, this might be client XYZ, which workspace pertains to which client. Let's say that you wanted to delete a client workspace, so all you have to do is come down to the trash can right here and press this. You'll see a modal that pops up in your browser. Are you sure you want to delete this account? And you can press OK. And what that'll do is that will remove that account from your screen here. And that's how you rename your workspace, and also how you can remove your access to a specific workspace and delete it from your account. Thank you.